Dear students, today my class is all editors Windows OS important shortcut keys. All editors and Windows OS important shortcut keys. Before going to this class, please subscribe my channel King Classroom DS and Razu Max and Computer online classes. Now all editors and Windows operating system important shortcut keys. First one, Control plus N, new file. Control plus S, save the file. Control plus O, open file. Control plus P, print the file content. Control plus X, cut content or cut the file. Control plus C, copy content or copy the file. Control plus V, paste the content or paste the file. Control plus A, select all content. Control plus F, find the content, find the word or find the file. Control plus H, replace the content or replace the file. Control plus G, go to the content, page number or any something, line number or something. Control plus B, bold the content. Control plus I, italic the content. Control plus U, underline the content. Alt plus F4, close the window. F1 for help, universal help. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for computer online classes. In computer online classes, I am giving complete tutorials for MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, online classes. And programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, HTML, CSS, jQuery, jQuery, JavaScript, Oracle, MySQL, online classes. So computers and Macs online classes. So please kindly subscribe my channel and watch the videos and share the channel. Okay, thanking you.